how to delete Skout account from your device. Open the Skout app on your phone, log into the account you want to delete, and tap your profile picture or avatar in top corner, then go to settings. Tap the gear icon to open settings. Now scroll down and find account. For account settings, delete account option, tap delete account. You may be asked to enter your password or confirm your decision or choose any reason. Confirm deletion. This action is permanent. All your message, connection, and profile information will be permanently removed. App Store, tap subscription. If available, tap cancel option to avoid future charges. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.